Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add tracks from your device into your library on the Spotify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option, and then you should click on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Now you should scroll down till you find the local files section and click on it. Now as you can see, there is this show audio files from this device function that you can turn on if you want to add your tracks into your library. Now you need to allow Spotify to access your Apple Music by clicking on the OK button down below. As you can see, your local files have been added to the Your Library section on the Spotify app. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.